So I wasn't sure if I was going to be making another strawberry video, because surely at this point I have mastered strawberries. No, not at all. There's much more for me to learn. But what I'm going to be doing today is cleaning up the dying leaves and the bad berries that have been like chewed into. And I'm going to show you a bit of that. And they can hide very easily. So sometimes you'll have to come in and find them, like stuff like this. And if you have some densely packed plants like some of mine are, then you really have to comb around and find all the dead leaves or the bad berries, because they will be pretty stealthy. Let's see here. And sometimes they'll blend in with the soil. And once you're doing this for a little while, you get a sense of the ones that are going to be bad soon. Like they might have some chewed up leaves, or they might be beginning to yellow, and you can just tug on them. And if they give, then that means the plant was trying to let go of that leaf anyway. So let's see here. There's a chewed up one. Get rid of that. And so some reasons why you want to do this is to cut down on disease and give more airflow in the plant. Tug on that one. Yep. And here, this looks like, yeah, so here's a chewed up berry. So I want to get rid of stuff like that. And I'm not sure if it's just the flies that some will comb these over, or if it's birds that are chewing them up. Maybe both. And as these get bigger, their height will keep all the leaves off the soil. But for the moment, since the way I potted these, the crowns were not necessarily high enough off the soil to prevent some of this stuff. So I'm just coming in, cleaning out all the dead leaves. And they really do blend in sometimes. And you'll even find some dead flowers. And stuff like this, even if it's still green, but this is not going to be a very productive set of leaves, so you can pull that out. This one, not so great. This one doesn't want to let go, so I'll leave that for now. And I have learned that it may not be necessarily so good to pack the strawberries in like this, because they will be drawing nutrients from one another, and maybe no one strawberry plant will thrive. So next time I plant strawberries, I probably won't pack them in as much. This one has a lot of janky leaves. probably have some insects that like chewing on these. Overall, the health of my strawberries is pretty decent, so I'm not too worried about all these things. And another thing I've learned is that I shouldn't just let the berries sit on the plant. If they're ready to pick, then go ahead and pick them. Otherwise, bugs will get to them or birds will get to them. So if you don't pick them, then the critters will, is the saying that I have heard. So once they've turned red, they're not necessarily going to get any bigger. They're just ready. I'm sure I've missed some stuff, but that might be fine for now. I've cleared out some things in here, and it's going to provide better airflow. But yeah, I hope some of that stuff makes sense and helps. I can definitely tell that these are getting a lot healthier. Oh, here we go. Here's a berry. Is it chewed up? Yeah, it's got a little bit of damage on it. That's a bummer. Oh well.